Hello everyone. Today is the chicken coop cleaning day. We're gonna clean only coop. I'm gonna show you the one I have made, custom chicken coop, how easy to clean. First, we're gonna open egg box. Now we're gonna open a side door, two locks, open. And the best upgrade I have done, I was never know. My egg area was a lot of poop before. They're just pooping all over the place, and the egg was always dirty. Then I have installed the rooster bar, and you can see now they're just pooping over here, and egg area is clean. So I'm gonna show you how easy to clean my coop from inside because everything is portable. Those egg boxes are portable. Here, this wood piece is just here. I have this metal piece. I just get inside. I'm gonna remove this one. Then those boxes, they're also portable. Here, I'm gonna remove this one. Now everything inside, it's just one piece we're gonna clean. Today was a sunny day, so after I clean up from inside, I took advantage. I painted. It's like a bronzy color, and I'm gonna let them dry. Then we're gonna put everything in. After that, when I have a chance, I'm gonna have it trim like a white color. All the doors and the side edges trim will be the white color. Then see how it's gonna look like. Now, let's see. I'm gonna let them a couple hours dry out, and then we will put everything back in. For the inside, for the egg area, I'm going to use my own bedding. I'm gonna do like my grass. I have a cut it, dried out. I'm gonna put that one in. Inside the chicken run, it wasn't a plan to clean, but since I have a paint the coop, paint was all over the place, so I decided to clean it. And now I'm gonna put this wood mulch. It's like really fine, but I was using for my yard, and anytime I let them loose, they just play a lot on it, so I decided to put it on. And also I can use later for fertilizer. I'm gonna put all over the place. That side gonna be a little bit more thick, so they just sit there. It's gonna be all over the place. Chicken run ready. As for the coop, it's really easy. I will show you. It's really easy to clean and maintain. So that's my nesting box. I should paint it. I don't know. I'm not sure. Actually, I wasn't planning to paint inside. Since I was painting the screen, paint was all over the place, so I have to do it. This box, just go here. It's gonna go all the way here. You can also pull, make sure it's all the way. And now this board piece, I am using my one hand, so that's what I have to do first. I put it that side from here. We're just gonna slide in. That's it. So now our nesting box is ready, set on the place, and time to put some bedding. I'm gonna put the grass. I have a cut last week. So this door I have one latch, easy to open and close. So firstly, after cleanup, I start like that. I put a little bit here, as you can see, because they're sitting over here, they're pooping too much. So my wood floor not gonna be get bad. I'm also planning to put some kind of plastic seating, because if I have put a plastic paper, they keep scratching, might be eating, so I don't want to put any more. And this side, all nest boxes are full. They will be happy now. So later, as my grass go dry, I will put it in. Since there was a lot of rain on sunny days, it didn't dry that much. But still, this grass have a lot of food for them too. So far we're done for the day. I'm gonna close everything. As you can see, also I have this coop. It's like for summer. So right now it's cold. I keep this door closed. I have a double doors. And summer I'm gonna leave the top door open and the screen, and they have a air pass through. And also once I have a clean and open, there's no smell, nothing. A really fresh air inside. So let's close all the doors and windows. Then we're gonna see how I look now. So far, after cleanup, after paint, my coop look like this. Only I believe when I do the white trims, like I will do the white paint on the trims, they're gonna look a lot more better. From inside, I have a food for them. I just covered it because I was painting. water. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.